And she's rolling.
There you go, baby. Good little burpee.
And she puts her face in front of his.
Good little burpee.
Just stay where you are.
Little burpee.
Is he facing you?
Just stay where you are.
Anybody who sees that movie is going to be like, you're not burping him. You gotta really pat him on the back.
Oh,
What do you see?
oh, Fiona, if you could only see him. But you can't because you don't have the height.